No, for real, baby. Rich homie, the money bag, baby.
Rich homie, the money bag, baby.
One of my sister that lives in the United States of America, Sister Joy by name.
Are you for real?
My grandmother that always pray for me each time I talk with them.
In United States of America, baby.
Baby.
For real, baby.
Yeah, baby.
What happened, baby?
On the phone. She called me. Was here Muslim na their pastor's wife. Yeah, Pastor Mrs. AJI UDOH. No, maybe today she is celebrating her birthday on the 4th of July. The same day America is having their Independent Day.
Oh la la la,
lo 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 lo.
No, for
baby.
real, baby.
You know it,
good, man. Yeah, come on, man.
I was running to your house so that you would teach me how to speak and rap with the American people. Imani bigo nata.
That's
all I want from you.
No, just forget about it. I'm gonna teach you how to speak American accent, baby.
Oh,
no, for real, baby.
Baby.
No, for real, baby.
Baby, I come to if it's only baby that you are speaking now that I will go with, in fact, I am sacrificed unto it. Yeah, I am okay and content.
There is a problem now, baby. Do you know my passport? You know, it's been a long time coming. You understand? My passport, I don't know whether it's still valid.
You are not the one going, sir. You only teach me and stay.
Oh!
Hey! Only
the American accent.
You know, Gospel House Revival Ministry, in America, hosting Gogo.
Oh, hosting?
Yes! It was formerly at Site 104. But now, because of the large number of people, because God is doing wonders and the church is expanding by the day, they decided to move the church to Site 107.
Oh, Site 107.
That is their permanent place now.
God damn, baby, that's very massive, baby.
Oh!
No, for real, man.
So I need to venture into America. Let me go and do an exploit.
You need it. You really need to go and see America, baby.
Once I get there, I would say, happy birthday, Mommy Pastor Mrs. AJI UDOH. Congratulations and welcome to your new age.
Oh, that's very beautiful. I'm gonna do that for you. You see American accent? Don't worry about that. You must know how to present in American accent, baby.
Baby, once I see an American man, what would be the first thing I would say?
You will say good morning. You will say hello, baby.
Ooh.
How you doing, baby?
Hello, baby. How are you doing, baby? Baby.
When you get to United States of America,
baby. Hello, baby.
Good morning,
baby.
No, that's beautiful.
Happy birthday, baby. Mommy AJI UDOH, baby. Happy birthday,
Mommy AJI UDOH, baby. No, for real, man.
Sister Joy, thank you for calling me to do this birthday shout out. Baby.
Oh, that's beautiful. You're going to United States of America?
Yes.
That's good.
Yes. As you said it now, that is how I'm going to do it over there.
Whenever, anywhere you enter in America, but in the church, you just present and anybody you see.
Wait a minute. But at the venture, they gave me a microphone to introduce myself.
Yeah.
Praise the Lord, baby.
Jesus! You there, baby?
Tonu Chineke, baby. Chiefimocomedylatest na America, baby.
And then so ya dekwa,
baby. Ota mpatala hogo. Mo akwụkwọ Greece a ga-eji asa maka corona.
United States of America.
I'm going to na m mama grandma, Auntie Joy's mother. See, mama, I brought ugu for you, baby.
Na America,
baby.
You good for real, man.
Oh well,
I like this.
Happy birthday, mama, baby. Let me go and start rehearsing.
I'm coming to your house to teach you American accent. I'm coming right away.